For some Etsy sellers out there, everything might be completely smooth sailing. Things are going really well, and they just want to make sure that they're still using the best keywords that they can on their listings. Well, in this episode of The Jam, we're going to be talking about how you can use Marmalead to just kind of do a keyword checkup and make sure that your keywords are the best ones that you could have on your listings today. What is up? Welcome to The Jam. I'm Gordon from Marmalead.
And I'm Richie from Marmalead.
What are we talking about today on The Jam, Richie?
Well, today we're going to talk about how to use Marmalead when your shop is doing fine and you just want to make sure that you're still using the best keywords because, of course, you want your shop to keep doing fine.
One of the first things you can do in this situation is take a look at your focus keywords that are on your listings. You can go into your listing detail pages inside of Marmalead and see what your focus keywords are. Those are the keywords that are in both your title and your tag. So the most important ones that you are telling Etsy, I am relevant for this keyword. And take those and run them through Marmalead search.
Yes, and in search, one of the things you're going to be looking for is to make sure that the forecast is looking good. So a lot of keywords are going to have seasonality. Seasonality meaning there is going to be a time and a place for that listing, for that product that people are buying it, and then there's going to be a time that they are not. And so you want to make sure that, okay, things were going great or are going great, but are we entering a new season, and are we entering a new season where some of these keywords might not be doing as well, and I need to start transitioning into that next season? Much like, you're going to transition from summer to fall to winter, and you see the physical stores change pretty much everything within there. You're going to want to make sure that you stay on top of that stuff as well.
Right, absolutely. The keyword landscape is constantly changing all of the time. And so it is very possible to set up a listing, have all your keywords on there, your descriptions, your pricing and everything like that, not touch it, and yet see that listing fluctuate over the course of the year. And that, of course, is due to the fact that the keywords on that listing are going through in and out of different cycles where they might be popular in one time and then less popular during another time. When you see that sort of activity inside of your shop, it's completely normal to not have made any changes and yet see your traffic fluctuate, or even inside of Marmalead, your grades fluctuate. Another thing to look at that's really helpful inside of that search tool is the similar shopper searches table. And I knew I was going to trip up over that when I said that because it's a bit of a tongue twister. Keep an eye on that table, right? And so if you're coming back in to do your SEO repeatedly, which is a great idea to kind of keep an eye on that, see if there's any keywords that are showing up in that table that are new to you, new to your radar, that you're like, oh, I haven't noticed that people are searching for that before. That could be something that might fit on my listing. Throw that keyword in a keyword list inside of Marmalead to either, consider down the road or just kind of keep tabs on, because you can go back to your list and check those things really easily later on.
And somewhere else that we want to make sure not to neglect is looking in Etsy stats themselves. So you want to look for keywords that are bringing traffic to your shop. That's key, right? So your research is looking for keywords and what you're going to be trying to target, and then looking in Etsy stats is really going to tell you if that targeting is working or not. Are they actually bringing traffic to your shop? And that's a key component. So you're going to want to put those keywords that are working, you're going to want to put those through search. And then again, you're going to want to look at similar shopper searches for new keywords since you last checked, because that's kind of the name of the game. You want to find good keywords, apply them to your shop, make sure they're working, and then find more like that so you can keep getting found for more keywords that bring you sales.
Yeah, and as you notice, these things aren't very time consuming. It's not very in-depth. You're not spending a bunch of time researching and digging into these keywords. You've already got things set up and things are pretty smooth sailing. You just kind of want to go through and finesse things a little bit and just make sure that the keywords that you have on your listings or that you're getting traffic from aren't falling off in the future, and you shouldn't be worried about replacing those anytime soon. There you guys go. There's some tips, and hopefully you got a lot out of that. We will see you guys next time on The Jam.